Hey guys, and welcome on into today's video where we're going to be filling out an example very simply of a form 1099 miscellaneous if you hired out contract work for your business, some non-employee compensation. So what you're going to want to do, you have to order these forms from the IRS. I'll link that down in the video description. They're going to send you this booklet here for instructions on how to fill out the 1099 miscellaneous, and then they're also going to send you these things. They kind of feel like newspaper, but they're going to be stacked on top of each other, so when you fill them out, the ink bleeds to the other side, and you can fill out a bunch of forms at the same time because of that. So that's why you need to order these particular forms, because they're quite a bit different than just traditional computer paper that you'd print them out on. But for today's example, we're just going to fill it out on this piece of computer paper that I've printed out here. So the first thing you're going to want to do is the top here. It's the payer's name, street address, city or town, state, all that good stuff. So for today's example, this is going to be the business Z Builders, and they're going to be from 123 Maple Avenue, Oaktown, Alabama, 00000. So of course a fake address here, just a simple example of a business name, address, all of that stuff. So now we're going on to the payer's TIN, the federal identification number. So this is going to be probably your employer identification number. So just throwing an example one down here, 1099999. And I'm pulling this example right out of the instruction booklet. So also you're going to put down the recipient's identification number. So that's going to be their social security number. Again, we're just going to fill in a fake one here. And then below that you have the recipient's name. We're going to have it Ronald Green. And he is DBAY Drywall. And then street address 456 Flower Lane. And then he is also from Oaktown, Alabama. And we're almost done here. Now you just have to go to how much you actually paid this non-employee in compensation. If it's over $600, you're going to have to fill this out. If it's below that, you don't need to worry about it. So for this example, we are going to put down $5,500. And that's going to wrap it up, guys. It's a pretty easy form to fill out for contract work. Maybe you hired a bunch of different people, so make sure you get their identification number so you can put that down, as well as their name and address. And of course, always keep track of receipts and how much you paid them throughout the year, so you can add that up and put it in the non-employee compensation. So once you fill that out, you need to send the recipient their forms in the mail, and you have to do this in the earlier portion of the year. I recommend just doing it right away in January, filling all these out and getting them out to all of the respective recipients. But it's a pretty easy form to fill out, straightforward, and you go ahead and do that and you should be all set and ready to go. So thanks guys for stopping on in for today's video. Again, I'm going to link down in the video description where you can get these forms from the IRS so you can order them in the mail. Thanks guys. We hope to see you in future videos. Bye.